Morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall learn how to translate English, Oriya into English. ଓଡ଼ିଆରୁ କେମିତି ଇଂଲିଶ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେଟ୍ କରିବା ଆମେ ଆଜି ଜାଣିବା ରାଇଟ୍। ତ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କ'ଣ କହିଲି, ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡିଡ୍ ଆଇ ଟେଲ୍ ୟୁ? ଆଇ ଟୋଲ୍ଡ ୟୁ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ in Oriya sentence we find the verb at the end of the sentence, right? And if the verb ends with a, iti, cho, cha, chi, che, that is called present tense. In Oriya that is Vartamana Kala, right? If the verb ends with lo, la, li, le, that is past tense. In Oriya Atita Kala. If the verb ends with Oriya verb ends with bo, ba, bi, be, that is future time. That means what? Bhavishyat Kala. So each tense has a four aspects: simple, continuous. Could understand? Continuous, progressive, the same thing, and perfect and for perfect continuous or so so we make different forms of verbs. For example, kha is the root verb. We make khaye, khanti, tell khauchi, khaichi, khai asuchi, khaichi, khai asuchi. Similarly, lolalire khaili, then ଖାଉଥିଲି, ଖାଇଥିଲି, ଖାଇ ଆସୁଥିଲି, ଦେନ୍ ବବା ଖାଇବି, ଖାଉଥିବି, ଖାଇଥିବି, ଖାଇ ଆସୁଥିବି। ଓକେ, ତ ଅଛି, ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଡିଡ୍ ଆଇ ସେ? ଅଛି, ଅଛି ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ, ଛଅ ଛା ଯେ ସରିଛି, ଅଛି, ଅଛି, ଅଛି present tense. Its past tense is thilla. Its future time is what? Thiba. Could understand? Achi present tense, thilla past tense, thiba future time. Achi means what? Is achi or achandi? Is M R thilla. Its past tense was where, right? Thiba believe, this is be verb, this is be verb, and this is be verb. Could understand? So achi means what? Present tense, thilla past tense, thiba future time. Could understand? So just 1 minute. First we will do what? Khaye or khanti. Kha e or khanti. Kha anti means what? Khaye or khanti means eat plus do is equal to eat or it's, right? Could understand? It we will make it past tense. Khaye, khanti, its past tense is what? Khaili, khaili. In English that is did. Khaili, it will become ate, right? Khaili, this is li. Future time, tell kha e no, li is past tense, khai no, cho present tense, b, just to change b. Okay, next one is believe, that is believe. Next one is ଖାଉଛି, right? ଖାଉଛି. So we will make past tense. We will use li. What will it become? ଖାଉ wait ଖାଉଛି yes ଖାଉ ଅଛି that is ଖାଉ ଅଛି ଅଛିର past tense what is the past tense of ଅଛି
Achila.
ହଁ
Past tense.
ଥିଲି so it will become ଖାଉ
Till.
ଖାଉଥିଲି ଖାଉଥିଲି future time ଖାଉ
Khaibi.
no
No.
ଖାଉ
Khau. Thibi.
ହଁ ଖାଉ
Thibi.
ଥିବି right next perfect ଖାଇଛି ଖାଇ ଅଛି it will become ଖାଇ ଲଗା at l ଖାଇ ଥିଲି next ଖାଇ ଖାଇ
Bi.
ଖାଇ
Thili.
ଖାଇଥିଲି ଖାଇଥିବି right next one is fourth number is ଖାଇ ଆସୁ ଅଛି past tense ଅଛି past tense ଖାଉ ଖାଇ ଆସୁ
Thili.
ଥିଲି ଖାଇ ଆସୁଥିଲି ଖାଇ
Asu.
ଆସୁ
Thili.
ଥିଲି next future time ଖାଇ
Asu. Thibi. Asu.
ଆସୁ
Thibi.
ଥିବି we do like this okay here present tense ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କାଳ ଏ ଇନ୍ତି ଛ ଛା ଛି ଛେ the present tense verb in Oriya the present tense verb ends with a inti cho cha chi che right so present tense has four aspects one is simple khaye khanti in English that is eat eats okay eat is made up eat and do eats is made up eat and does right next one is continuous what did I say continuous yes continuous or progressive ଖାଉ ଅଛି ଅଛି ଖାଉ ଅଛି ଅଛି means who means is MRING is used what is used is MRING used since perfect ଖାଇ ଅଛି have has eaten next perfect continuous progressive ଖାଇ ଆସୁ ଅଛି have has been eating okay now see what is it present tense we will make it past tense what did I say we will make it past tense okay past tense छ छाछी will become what law again tell
La.
la yes
Li.
li yes yes law la li le
Le. Le.
right le छ छाछी will become what so it will become past means it will become atita kala right what did I say
Otito kalo.
atita atita kala la la li le so khaye will become what la la li we will use la la li khaili it will become what khaili plus ili e li okay ଖାଇଲି ଖାଆନ୍ତି ବୋଲି ଖାଇଲି and past tense about do will become did yes did and it will become past tense ate right? And it will be cancelled, right? Next, continuous. Past continuous progressive. Khau achi. Past tense. We will do it past tense. Achi will become what? What is the past tense of achi? I told you. अच्छी रो पास्ट टेंस कौन कही
अच्छी
हाँ
फ्यूचर टाइम
अच्छी पास्ट टेंस कौन कही अच्छी पास्ट टेंस कौन हम
अछंती
नो टेल हाँ यस थिल्ली राइट एंड फ्यूचर टाइम थिबी आम पास्ट टेंस करछे अच्छी विल बिकम व्हाट
अच्छी बिल्ली बिकम
हाँ
थिल्ली
थिल्ली ओके थिल्ली ओके इज एम आर पास्ट टेंस कौन व्हाट इज द पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म्स ऑफ इज एम आर हाँ यस टेल मी वाज वेयर इज एम आर विल बिकम वाज वेयर राइट ओके सो खाऊली वाज वेयर इटिंग नेक्स्ट परफेक्ट खाऊ खाई अच्छी व्हाट इज द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ अच्छी थिल्ली राइट वी विल राइट हियर थिल्ली 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 राइट so it became a खाई थिल्ली so what is the past forms of have and has who can say past form of have has can't you had eaten could understand next continuous perfect continuous or progressive खाई आसु अच्छी अच्छी will become what थिल्ली अच्छी will become what थिल्ली थिल्ली okay and what is the past forms of has and have had yes had सब कौन चेंज अच्छी जगह चेंज हो राइट तापर यार कौन हो इज एमाटा वाज वेयर हो हैव एजटा हेड हो बिकज हेड इज द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ हैव एज हेड एंड हेड सो इट आम ए कौन डिस्कसन व्हाट डिड यू डिस्कस कौन डिस्कसन कले पास्ट टेंस कले नाउ वी विल डिस्कस फ्यूचर टाइम व्हाट डिड आई से फ्यूचर टाइम फ्यूचर टाइम TIME फ्यूचर टाइम ओके दैट इज व्हाट भविष्यत काल भविष्यत काल राइट एंड ला विल बिकम व्हाट बीबे बा बे ओके सिंपल मु खाइली ली विल बी रिमूव्ड एंड वी विल यूज बी इन प्लेस ऑफ ली वी विल यूज बी व्हाट विल इट बिकम खाई बी राइट थैंक यू खाई बी बी ओके खाई बी एंड व्हाट विल इट बिकम डिड विल बी रिमूव्ड will be used will and it will become what will eat right next continuous ଖାଉଥିଲି it will become thibi so what will happen we will write li instead of li we will write b okay b yes thibi and we will use will Was were will become be. Okay, will be eating. Right? Next, perfect thilly. Will removed. Instead be. Right? Thibic. Okay. And we will use will, double I, L, will. And had the past tense, it will become have. Will have eaten. Next one is khai asu thili. Will will be removed. It will become be. Okay. Yes, be. Had will become will have.
Billy
Will have. Right? Will have been eating. Khai asu thibi. ବୁଝିପାରୁଛୁ ନାହିଁ. So in this way we will translate the other things. Could understand? So remember, again remember, ଖାଏ ଖାଆନ୍ତି, ଖାଉଛି ଖାଇଛି, ଖାଇ ଆସୁଅଛି. Similar ଖାଇଲି, ଖାଉଥିଲି, ଖାଇଥିଲି, ଖାଉଥିଲି, ଖାଇ ଆସୁଥିଲି. Right? Similarly ଖାଇବି, ଖାଉଥିବି, ଖାଇଥିବି, ଖାଇ ଆସୁଥିବି. Could understand? So we will remember it and accordingly we will do other things. Right? Okay. So today we shall end the lesson. We will discuss about it in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
it's okay.